Hi students, today we are starting our next topic, that is reproduction in bryophytes. It is of two types, vegetative reproduction and sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction, we know very well that if any vegetative part is taken and if it is sown inside the soil, it will convert into the form of the new plant. Suppose bulb of onion, tuber of potato, etc. Sexual reproduction, as we know, here participation of two parents is there and formation of offspring is there. We will start with vegetative reproduction. It is by primary protonema and fragmentation. Here we know that fragmentation means a plant is divided into many pieces and each piece will convert into the form of the new plant, and this part will known as protonema. Now we can see this is the part of the plant. Now how this is developed, tubers. This is vegetative mode of reproduction. Here gamma cup, here gamma, as you can see. Now here it is developing, gamma is in this manner, this is gamma is developing. Now it is developed on the base. Next here cell division is going on and this is developing, gamma, means reproductive organs are developing and they are present inside the cup like structure, so it is known as gamma. Here you can see how they are present. Now here adventitious branch. Now here formation of protonema, as you can see, secondary protonema, this is primary protonema, these are rhizoids, this is gametophyte, this is bud and this is complete plant. It develops from germinating spores and juvenile stage of gametophyte and it may multiply by fragmentation of the branches. Now by gamma formation, it develops in the form of green buds along with the axis of the leaves. They detach from the parent plant and develop into new moss plant. Now sexual reproduction. This is life cycle of moss. Here we will see how sexual reproduction takes place, alternation of generation. As you can see, this is sporophyte, means 2n, gametophyte means n. This is, we can see, this is the plant, this is sporophyte, and from sporophyte spores are developed. They are developed inside the sporangium. This is the sporogenous tissue. Operculum means mouth. Here spores are liberated, mouth is open, spores are liberated. Release of male and female gametophyte. Male gametophyte is known as antheridia. Female gametophyte, it is known as archegonia. Archegonia will form ova and antheridium will form sperm. Fertilization will take place, formation of zygote, and zygote converts into sporophyte, as we know, Footseta capsule, and inside the sporophyte capsule is present and inside the capsule spores are present. So this is the 2n cycle and this is the n cycle. They both are alternating to each other. This is known as alternation of generation. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.